Bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my beautiful crafty friends, we are going to be making another embellishment using the Christmas stickers. So we're going to turn one of our Christmas stickers into a Valentine inspired embellishment, and we are going to create this adorable, beautiful, gorgeous little mouse into a Valentine's embellishment. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to make this. This sticker is from my goals. It is from the Christmas collection last year. This little mouse is the one that comes with like the what is it called? I don't know. It's the Christmas what is it called? Oh my gosh. The Nutcracker. So we're going to use this little mouse right here to turn it into a Valentine's Day inspired project. I have here another one of these gigantic bags that also is part of the Christmas collection from last year, and that's where I got the mouse from. This is just another similar sticker set that also includes the mouse. So we are going to create this adorable embellishment, and I'm going to show you how to do that really simple and easy with a few things. So let's get going. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use paper for Valentine's Day. Pick whatever paper you want. Doesn't really matter. Whatever draws your attention, you pick it. I'm going to use this little square that I cut out. I cut out a little square. This is a 3x3, more or less, 3x3. Just cut out whatever size of square you want to cut out. I used as a template one of those like little mini cards. Hold on. That looks like this. One of those like little mini cards. I used that as a template. So, let's start. Get your beautiful little mouse that I already have in here. I have all the stuff we're going to use in this little pack. And I'm going to add my mouse in the little corner of my little square. Let me bring it down real close to me. Oy! Yeah, okay. So I'm going to put it right in the little corner of my little square. I already add some dimensions on the back of my little mouse, as well as a little pearls. As you guys can see, I don't know if you can see there, but I added some little pearls right in the top of the crown area, the eyes and the nose. And what I did with the little pearls, I just add them in those areas just to kind of like highlight a little bit those little areas that were not really noticeable. And I just used these like little tiny pearls that I got at AC Moore a very long time ago. You can always use sequins if you don't have pearls, or you can always use like little rhinestones if you want. So what we're going to do is we're going to hot glue the little mouse to the corner of our little embellishment or a little square right here. And it's just going to go right in the little corner. Boom. Right there. And I added some hearts on this side of the little square. Use whatever hearts you have at home. I have tons of these little hearts. I don't know where they came from. I think it's from a $1 pack or maybe like a Target. I really don't know. But I have these hearts that I have tons of. I'm going to use one of these hearts and I'm going to add it right in this area right here. And then I'm going to use another heart, which is this one right here. And I'm going to add that, or maybe the pink one. I'm going to add the pink one. I'm going to add the pink one right in the bottom of the heart that I just finished adding. Before I add this heart, I want to add a little bit of dimension on this side of the heart. So when I lay this down, it's kind of a little bit lifted up. So I'm going to do that right now. And I have to cut my dimension in half just to make it fit on this area right here. Right there. And then I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue. And I'm going to add my heart right on this area down here. See that? That looks cute. And you're going to get something like this. Beautiful, right? Now, I also added a very tiny little heart in the center of this one. And I'm using for that one is these little tiny hearts that I have here. And I got these hearts at Michael's last year. Let me see if I found a little pack. I can't find a little pack that the heart comes in right now, but in any event, I can't find a little pack. I wanted to show you what the pack looked like, but it was from Michael's from last year, maybe 2 years ago, and it's just, oh, here it is, I'm sorry, here it is, Valentine's Day from last year. I'm using one of these little hearts, and I'm going to add it in the center of the one that we just added down. And I'm going to use the dimension on the back of this heart as well, so I can kind of lift up a little bit. And then I'm going to add some hot glue, and I'm going to add this right over that heart right there. And there you have it. Beautiful. Now what we're going to do is we are going to add an X and O right in this little corner right here, which I did for these right here. As you can see here, I had wrote in, well, I added an X and O, and then this one is red and white. And I got this X and O from a sticker pack. They look like this, and they're super duper cute, and they're felt. So we're going to do that. Let's add the X and the O in this corner right here. And that's going to almost complete our little embellishment. See how cute that looks? I'm going to add a cute little bow right in the center of my little mouse, because I thought he would look adorable with a cute little bow that I already created, or that I will create. Maybe I can do that on camera with you guys. I'm just going to use one of my little thin, tiny ribbons, and I'm just going to create a bow. And we're going to add this bow right in the center of the mouse neck, right in this area right there. Right there. Gonna hold it for a few seconds, and then we're just gonna go back and we're gonna trim a little bit, the extra on the ribbon, and you should get something like this. And you can leave it like this if you want. This is really such a cute way to use these stickers. You can kind of leave it like that, but what I did with this one is I added a few more little things to it just to give it a nice little fun look to the embellishment. So what I did is I added some cupcake liners to the back of the embellishment. So I'm going to use these cupcake liners that I think I got these at Michael's last year. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically fold my cupcake liner in half, and I'm going to scrunch it in the center. Okay, just like this. And I want to squish it down. And I want to add this little kind of like a fan looking shape right back here to where my little embellishment is. So I'm going to add some hot glue. And I'm going to basically add him right back here, trying to maintain that fan looking shape to the cupcake liner. See that? And what I want to do is I'm going to add a heart on the back and a heart on the front. And the hearts that I'm using are the ones from the Dollar Tree. You guys know how obsessed I am about these hearts. So I'm going to use a pink one and I'm going to use a red one. Let's see, do I have a red one in here? Oh, it's right in here. Pink and red. So for the red, I'm going to add to the back. It's going to kind of look tilted this way on the back of the embellishment. So we're going to add a little bit of hot glue right here. Just tiny hot glue. And we're going to add this right on the back of our embellishment. Kind of peeking out that way. And the pink one is going to go right in front. Right in front. I'm going to cut this out a little bit because I want my heart to be a little bit down like that. See? Right in front, just like that. Let's add some hot glue. And we're going to add this right in this area, right there. And we are done. And that is how we create these really fun embellishments using Christmas stickers. You see that? How freaking sexy is this cute, adorable mouse? Look at that. I think that turned out so cute, didn't it? I love it. This one has a little red, like a little red bow. And this one has the pink one. I really like the pink one. Pink one, it might be my favorite. But look how fun these turned out, guys. I love it. I hope you enjoy watching me make these fun embellishments using Christmas stickers. I will see you guys on my next video. I love you all and have an awesome, awesome weekend. Mwah!